team is quad-core, and our solution is seed while digital twinning. The climate is changing. That's why some spices are endangered. For example, Edelweiss flour. Just 2-degree increment of global temperature will be dangerous for these high mountain plants. We propose to predict which plants will be in danger with the help of AI. Make digital twin of seed wild with IoT sensors and present it in a virtual reality environment. Now, Melania will give you more details about our artificial intelligence solution.
Thank you. So, we developed a regression model using Azure Machine Learning Studio. Next. As we predict temperature, we need a data set from data platform and used the information from Bulgaria. Next. Then we created 2 model pipelines using 2 different algorithms. Next. And then got these results. Thank you. Now let's get back to Nikita.
Thanks. The plants need special solutions for growth, such as temperature, lighting, humidity, minerals, and etc. We implement IoT solutions with special sensors that save these parameters in our seed value. Right now, we are using simulated parameters, but we are totally ready to use a real terminal for controlling the parameters. These parameters are presented through Event Hub of Azure Logic apps, and then we are presenting them in PowerBI report, where we can see current parameters and we can predict plants growing. And now, Sophia will tell you more about visualization and virtual reality from our project.
So, hi potent to visualization and project. So, we will show you the SharePoint platform when you can see your green garden. So, you see it. And also you control and see your data metrics. You can use virtuality glasses to walk in our spaces while sitting in a comfortable chair. So now back to Melania with the resume of our project.
Then, to summarize, at first we use data from sensors and load them with Azure services to PowerBI dataset. Also, we use machine learning model to predict temperature, and all that is combined in SharePoint Spaces environment. Next. Our solution is cost-effective. Next. And also, we see lots of different development opportunities for our solution. Thank you for your attention, and listen to your question.